Seeing the Tyre Sensors Not Detected message? This means your 2015 EcoSport's tire pressure monitoring system isn't receiving signals from one or more tire sensors. The EcoSport uses direct TPMS with sensors inside each tire valve stem. This error could stem from dead sensor batteries with a lifespan of 5 to 7 years, corrosion, physical damage, or even a glitch in the car's computer. Don't ignore this. TPMS prevents blowouts. First, manually check your tire pressure. False positives are common, especially in cold weather. A simple reset might solve the issue. Begin with a TPMS reset. Turn the ignition on, then off. Drive at 25 to 35 miles per hour for 10 to 20 minutes. This might resync the sensors. If that fails, inspect the valve stems for corrosion or damage. An OBD2 scanner can read TPMS sensor data and identify faulty ones. Try Ford's IDS software for advanced diagnostics. Sensors are programmable and can be relearned to the vehicle. If problems persist, consider replacing the sensors. Universal sensors can reduce costs. Remember to have the new sensor programmed to your EcoSport. If issues continue post-replacement, the TPMS receiver module or ECU could be faulty, requiring professional diagnosis. Remember, most TPMS problems are user-fixable. If you have issues, check to make sure you have the correct tire pressure and that you use the OBD2 scanner correctly.